An hour in front of a screen usually means consuming content as fast as an algorithm can serve it up. But when that time is spent on deliberate construction, something interesting happens. Algo Academy and Masan is designed for this specific purpose, empowering students to engineer the digital worlds they usually just inhabit. We use Minecraft as a stealth delivery system. Behind the blocks and exploration is a rigorous curriculum focused on computational thinking. This approach tracks every completed mission and every solved logic puzzle, providing a clear record of technical milestones mastered during sessions. Most elementary students struggle with text-based coding because missing a single comma or bracket will crash the entire program, stopping the learning process before it begins. This diagram shows the solution. Traditional text code is dense. Interlocking blocks allow students to visualize logic instantly. As blocks illuminate, they trigger 3D actions. The child sees cause and effect in real time, building mental habits of a programmer. By removing this syntax barrier, we accelerate pure logic acquisition. Students spend their time solving problems rather than hunting for typos. An hour in front of a screen usually means consuming content as fast as an algorithm can serve it up. But when that time is spent on deliberate construction, something interesting happens. Algo Academy in Masan is designed for this specific purpose, empowering students to engineer the digital worlds they usually just inhabit. We use Minecraft as a stealth delivery system. Behind the blocks and exploration is a rigorous curriculum focused on computational thinking. This approach tracks every completed mission and logic puzzle, providing a clear record of the specific technical milestones a child has mastered during their session. Every student is paired with an AI agent, a programmable entity that remains completely inert until it receives a precise set of instructions. Using the Make Code interface, students define exact command parameters for the agent, specifying everything from direction to inventory usage. Programming the agent to move, plant a seed, and repeat that sequence 10 times introduces the concept of a loop, the same structural logic used in professional software development. The game provides an instant feedback loop. If the logic is flawed, the mistake plays out visually on screen, allowing the student to adjust their parameters and try again immediately. When the sequence finally executes and the agent successfully completes a complex task, the in-game celebration provides a tangible reward for persistent problem-solving. Through these exercises, the student's role shifts. They are no longer a player following a story. They are a systems director controlling a machine. This logic training happens in a social environment. Peers work together at shared desks, creating a natural network for Gogopa friends to collaborate. When a student's code hits a roadblock, they don't solve it in isolation. Peer-to-peer debugging is a constant, as students help each other identify errors in their logic strings. To help a friend, a student must verbally explain their algorithmic thinking. This articulation solidifies their own understanding of the concepts they've just learned. Completing the most complex in-game missions often requires a team effort, where different students contribute parts of a larger logical sequence. This environment treats coding as a shared engineering challenge, making the technical work feel energetic and collaborative. After about 6 months of mastering these spatial concepts, our students reach a major milestone. They outgrow the visual blocks. The visual make code logic block morphs piece by piece into its exact Python text code equivalent. The underlying logic, like variables and loops, remains identical. Because they already understand how the code works, the move to text-based syntax is a natural next step. At this stage, elementary students are writing the same code used in the professional software industry, using the mental habits they developed through play. Algo Academy provides the computational literacy that remains relevant regardless of which new technologies emerge in the future. Our next enrollment wave is currently opening, with space for 10 new students ready to join this community of creators. New students enter a supportive environment where they can tackle advanced logic side by side with their peers. To secure one of these spots, scan the QR code on your screen now or call the number below to speak with our enrollment team. This is the first step in a child's journey as an architect of the digital world. Join us today and start building.